Hey everyone, thank you for joining today. I'm Divyashi Ravi from Kleiser. I have been working with Magento 2 for past 6 years, focusing on custom development, third-party integration, and optimizing stores for high performance. Let me share my screen really quick. Today I'm excited to talk about how Magento is evolving and the key trends that are shaping the future of scalable e-commerce. Our focus will not only be on what's new, but also how each of these innovations improves store performance from speed and reliability to customer experience and the revenue growth. Why Magento trends matter? Yeah, Magento is very powerful and flexible platform. That's one of the main reasons so many businesses around the world choose it. You can build almost anything with it, custom features, different designs, special rules for products, and more. But here is the catch. The more we add to Magento, the more complex it can become. And when things get too complex, performance often suffer. Pages start to load slowly, checkouts takes longer. Sometimes third-party plugins clash with each other and cause errors. And during busy times like sales, holidays, store crash or slow down badly. This leads to frustrated customer and we lose sales. Now, more than ever, people expect websites to be fast, smooth, and easy to use. They want everything to work quickly, whether they are browsing on a phone, tablet, or desktop. If your site takes more than a few seconds to load, user will leave and go somewhere else. That's why performance is so important, and that's also where these Magento trends come in. The good news is the trends we see for 2025 are not just about adding new features, they are about fixing the very issues Magento stores struggle with today. For example, PWA helps solve slow mobile sites by loading super fast and working even without a good internet connection. Headless Commerce solves the problem of heavy front end by letting you design faster, cleaner interface that don't drag the whole site down. Composable Architect helps store run more smoothly by breaking them into smaller parts that can work and scale independently. So if one part slow down, it doesn't affect the rest of the store. AI tools help us reduce manual work by automatically handling content, showing better product recommendation, or chatting with customers. This removes delays and creates a faster experience. Personalization tools show each customer exactly what they are looking. Instead of making them search through hundred of items, these reduce bounce rates and helps people buy faster. Security and the cloud features make sure your store stays fast, stable, and protected even during the peak traffic. So, when we talk about Magento trends, we are really talking about smart solutions to common problems. These trends make sure Magento continues to grow and stay strong by focusing on performance, scalability, and great customer experience. That's why they matter so much. They don't just make our stores better, they make sure we don't fall behind. So these are all the top Magento trends, which we are going to deep dive in the next slides. Yeah, PWA. Now let's talk about progressive web apps or PWA. You might have heard the term before, but let me explain it in a simple way. PWA is a website that works like a mobile app. It's still a website. You open it in your browser, but it feels and performs like an app you have downloaded from the App Store. You can even install it on your phone. And the best part is it's really fast, works offline, and gives users a smooth app like experience without needing to download anything. So, how does this help Magento stores owners? One of the biggest problems many Magento websites face today is that they are slow, especially on mobile. Mobile user offer experience long load times, especially when the internet connection is weak. And we all know what happens when a site takes too long to load. Yeah, obviously people leave. That's called a bounce, and every bounce is a lost customer. PWA solve this by loading pages almost instantly, even if the user has a slow connection or no connection at all. They do this by using something called service workers, which store parts of the site in the browser after the first visit. So the next time someone comes back, the page loads from their device instead of the server. It's fast, smooth, and efficient. Another great thing about PWA is that they use less data and fewer system resources. This means users don't have to worry about using too much of their mobile data or draining their battery just by browsing the site. It's a lighter, faster experience all around. Plus, they got features like push notification, just like a regular app. So you can send them updates, offers, or reminders directly to their phone, even if they haven't opened your site recently. Why is this trending now? Because more and more people shop on their phones. In fact, mobile shopping has now passed desktop shopping in many places. But the problem is many Magento sites were originally built for desktop and then just adjust to work on mobile. That's not enough anymore. People want fast, simple, or mobile first experience, and PWAs are built exactly for that. Major brands like Alibaba, Flipkart, and Pinterest have seen huge improvement by switching to PWAs. For example, when Alibaba switched to a PWA, their mobile conversion rate increased by 76%. That's a huge jump in sales just by improving performance. Yeah, they also enhance the mobile shopping experience. And talking about the future of PWAs, Magento is putting a lot of focus into PWA development through something called Magento PWA Studio. This is a set of tools that helps developers build fast, flexible, and modern front-end experience on Magento. And it's improving every day. In the future, Magento's PWA tools will support even more advanced features like built-in AI suggestion, drag and drop page builders, and even voice search. Imagine a PWA where a customer sees personalized content, hears product suggestion, and checks out without typing a single word. Even more exciting, PWs are also expected to work closely with other trends like personalization and AI. So instead of one size fits all homepage, a PWA could load different versions of the homepage based on who's visiting. It might even preload items the customers mostly like to buy, so everything feels instant. In summary, PWA help Magento stores fix mobile performance problems, reduce bounce rates, and gives users a better experience. They are useful because they are fast, reliable, and don't require a separate app. They are trending because mobile shopping is growing fast and users want smoother experience. And the future of PWA is very bright, especially with Magento PWA Studio adding more powerful feature every day. If you want your Magento stores to be fast and ready for the future, PWA is the best place to start. Moving on to the headless commerce and omni-channel integration. Yeah. So now let's talk about few important ideas that are shaping the future of Magento stores, which is headless commerce, omni-channel, and something called composable commerce, which is built on a modern setup known as Mark Architect. First, what is headless commerce? In simple word, it means the front end, the part what the customer see, and the back end, the part that handles orders, products, and the data, which is all separated. This gives developers more freedom to design faster, smoother experience across different devices. Whether it is a mobile app, a website, a smart TV, or even a voice assistant, everything pulls data from the same backend, but the front end can be customized for each use. This connects directly with the idea of omni-channel shopping. Customers today don't shop in just one place. They move between devices, they browse on their phones, check prices on their laptop, and sometimes finish the purchase in store. Omnichannel means that your Magento stores gives a constant experience across all these platforms. Thus, the same cart, same inventory, same customer account, no matter where or how the customer shops. It reduces friction and makes the whole shopping journey really very smooth. Now let's bring in the composable commerce. This means your store inbuilt as one big block anymore. Instead, you build it using smaller parts, also called as microservice. Each service does one job really well. One handles product search, another takes care of checkout. A third manages content. These services talk to each other through APIs and can choose the best tool for each job. This approach is part of what we call a MAC architect. MAC stands for microservice, API first, cloud native, and headless. So microservice is just a smaller focused piece that handles specific tasks. API first is just everything is connected through APIs. Cloud native is the store runs in a cloud and scales automatically. Headless, the front end is separate from the back end for more flexibility. Now, Magento supports the way of working through tools like Adobe App Builder, which lets customer create own feature and connect them easily. Another tool is PMS, which helps manage all these connections between services, making your system more organized and reliable. For content, you don't have to stick to Magento's built-in CMS. You can use other platforms like Contentful or Builder.io. These are fast, easy to use, and perfect for marketing teams who want to change content quickly without needing any developer effort. Together, headless, omni-channel, and complex composable commerce make your Magento store more powerful and flexible. You can update parts of your store without breaking everything, so you can scale only what's needed during a big sale. And most importantly, you can give your customers a fast, smooth experience anywhere and anytime. This is where Magento is going, and it's how you build a store that's ready for the future. Yeah, next we'll move on to AI powered technologies. Yeah, in the past, AI seemed like something only big tech companies used, but today it's becoming a key part of online stores, especially for Magento. There are two big areas where AI is making a big difference. The first is conversational AI and the second is generative AI. Let's start with conversational AI. This includes things like chatbots and voice assistant. You've probably seen or used these before. Chatbots are those little chat windows that pop up on website. They can answer question, guide customer, and even help them check out. All without needing a real person behind the screen. They are available 24 by 7. They respond instantly and they never get tired. For store owners, this means fewer support tickets and faster services. And voice assistant work in a similar way, but using a voice instead of typing. Think about Alexa and Google Assistant, or people can now say things like, "Hey Alexa, order shampoo. Hey Alexa, order coffee." The system can find the right product and place the order instantly. That's called voice commerce. And it's growing quickly, especially for repeat purchase or simple products. Magento stores are starting to support this kind of shopping, which means more ways to serve your customers wherever they are. So now let's talk about generative AI. This is where AI tools actually create content. For example, they can write product description, blog post, promotional emails, or even generate full campaign with banners and offer. This is a big help, especially for teams that have hundreds or thousands of products and not enough time to write content for all of them. Generative AI saves time and makes sure your content is consistent and clear across the store. Magento uses a special AI engine called Adobe Sensei. It is built right into Magento tools and it works with Magento to deliver smart features. For example, it can recommend products to each customer based on what they have looked at before. It can adjust a layout, change banners, or highlight bestsellers depending on who's browsing. It can even help you find trends in customer behavior so you can offer better promotions or improve your catalog. So how does all help solve problems? A common issue for Magento stores is that it takes a lot of time to manage content, especially for big catalogs. AI help by writing that content for you. Another issue is slow customer service. Chatbot and a voice assistant fix that by answering instantly. AI also help personalize the experience, which means customer find what they are looking for faster and that leads to more sales. Why is this trending now? It's because customers expect faster, smarter service. They don't want to search through long menus and they don't want to search through long catalogs. They want answers quickly and they want help without needing to wait for support. At the same time, store owners want tools that save time and reduce the manual work of running a store. Looking ahead, the future of in Magento is only getting more exciting actually. We are going to see shopping assistant, personal shopper that understands each customer. We will see real-time optimization where AI changes price or product position lively based on how people react. And shopping will become even more common, especially for simple order and reordering or quick buys. And the content will be created dynamically. To sum it up, AI is helping Magento stores become faster, smarter, and more powerful, and it is helpful actually. Whether it's through chatbot and content creation, and it solves a real problem, saving real time. It's not the future anymore, it's already here and it's only getting better. Moving on to next interesting AR and VR. Yeah. It's really fun. AR and VR in online shopping is these technologies are becoming more and more popular in e-commerce. They are opening up new ways for customers to interact with products before buying. First, let's look at what these two terms mean. Augmented reality and VR virtual reality. Augmented reality uses your phone or tablet camera to add digital elements on top of the real world. For example, you can hold up your phone and see what a sofa would look like in your living room, or you can try on a pair of sunglasses, lipstick, or shoes all through your phone screen without actually having the product with you. Even before you are ordering a product, you can check if the sofa fits your room or the lipstick shade is suitable for you. Virtual reality is create a fully digital experience. You wear it or even use a phone and suddenly you are inside a virtual store. You can walk around, look at products and look like you are shopping in a real store even though you are just sitting on your sofa. So how does this help Magento store owners? One of the biggest challenge with online shopping is that customer can't physically touch or try the product. That's why many people hesitate before buying clothes or furniture or things. They are not sure if it will fit, look good or match their needs. Because of that, we often see high return rates in these categories. AR and VR help to solve this problem. They give customer a better idea of what they are getting before they buy. When a customer can see how a piece of furniture look in their home or how makeup look on their skin tone, they feel even more confident. This leads to fewer returns and better customer satisfaction as well. These tools are also very engaging. People enjoy using them and they tend to spend more time on the website. Means more chances to show them product promotion and build brand loyalty. Now, why is this trending growing so fast? The simple reason is smartphones are everywhere now, and many of them already support big brands like IKEA, L'Oreal, already using AR tools. For example, IKEA launched an app that you can buy furniture and virtually check your furniture in your room. And same L'Oreal app also gives us a virtual try-on with the selfie camera. Magento is starting to support AR and VR through integration with the third-party tools. You can connect your store with several services that handle 3D product model and AR previews. In the future, this will become even easier with the built-in models and drag and drop support for virtual features. Looking ahead, the future of AR and VR in Magento stores is exciting. We will see things like virtual shopping parties, group carts, 3D product configuration, and even connection to the metaverse, where people shop inside digital worlds using AR and VR. To summarize this, AR and VR not just fancy features, they solve real problems like product uncertainty. They help customer feel confident, they stay engaged and enjoy shopping more. And for Magento store owners, they are becoming easier to add and more expected by shoppers every day. Yeah, moving on to the hyper personalization and marketplace integration. Yeah, let's discuss something that can truly transform how customer experience your Magento store with the hyper personalization. This goes beyond just recommending products. It's about giving every single customer a shopping experience that feels trail made for them. So what is hyper personalization? In simple words, it means using data and AI to understand each buyer's behavior and then showing them the right products, content and even layout based on their action and interest. And more, instead of treating every visitor the same, your Magento store becomes smart enough to treat everyone differently in the best possible way. Let me give you an example. Imagine a first-time visitor lands on your store from Facebook. They are browsing on a mobile from a city where it's winter time. With hyper-personalization, they might see jackets and warm clothing, all those things. But someone else visiting from a sunny city who shops frequently might see new arrival of different products. Same store but different experience for each person. So how does this help solve problems? One of the biggest issue online stores faces choice overload. Customers get overwhelmed when they see too many products which are irrelevant. This leads to confusion and drop off. Personalization solves this by helping customers find what they want faster and with less effort. Another common problem is low engagement. If a customer doesn't feel connected to what they see, they will quickly. But when your store shows products they looked at before, suggest items that match their style. This kind of personalization is made possible by AI-driven tool. Magento stores can now use AI to track what customer browse, what they add to their cart, and even what kind of content they like to interact with. Based on this, the system can automatically adjust what shows to each visitor without any manual effort from your team. This is already being done through tools like Adobe Sensei, which we already discussed, and third-party personalized platform that integrate with hyper personalization is also becoming more powerful with marketplace integration. If your store sells on Amazon, eBay, or other marketplace, you can pull in customer data from those channels too. So your Magento store isn't working in isolation. It learns from how people behave across all platforms and deliver better experience everywhere. On top of that, there is a social commerce, which means selling directly through platforms like Facebook, Instagram. These channels already know a lot about your users, what they like, follow, and buy. By connecting your Magento store to these platforms, you can show personalized product feed, run targeted ads, and allow users to check out directly from the social app. This creates a smooth journey from discovery to purchase without friction. So why this hyper personalization trending now? Because customer expect it. They are used to Netflix showing the right movie or Spotify picking the right playlist. They now expect online stores to work the same way. If your store doesn't feel personal, it feels outdated. Looking in the future, hyper personalization is only way going to grow. Soon, Magento stores will be able to use real-time personalization where the site changes as the user browses. In summary, hyper-personalization makes your store smarter, faster, and more engaging. It reduces confusion, increases conversion, and helps every customer feel like your store was made just for them. With AI, marketplace, and social platform all working together, Magento makes it easier than ever to create this experience. Next, moving on to enhanced security and cloud adoption. No matter how fast or good your Magento store is, if it is not secure or stable, customers won't trust it. And that can hurt your business as well. First, let's talk about cloud adoption. Running your Magento store in the cloud means it's hosted on flexible server that can grow or shrink based on how many people are visiting. During high traffic times like Black Friday, your store can automatically scale up to stay fast. When traffic is low, it scales down to save cost. You don't have to worry about managing service like installing updates or handling crashes. It's all handled by the cloud platform itself. Now let's talk about enhanced security. With more people shopping online, data safety is more important than ever. Magento supports key security features like two-factor authentication. This means even if someone guessing your password, they can't log in without a second code. Also support encrypted payments, GDPR compliance, and tools to block suspicious activity before it becomes a problem. Together, security and cloud are the major pain points. They prevent downtime during sale and protect customer data and keep your store running smoothly even when traffic spikes. This builds trust and leads to more sales and big customer. Looking ahead, we will see even more advanced protection like AI-based threat biometric logins and maybe even blockchain verification for payments. The future of cloud is smarter, faster, and even more secure. In short, moving to the cloud and strengthening your store security are no longer optional. They are foundation of high performance. And the next is AE and why it matters. Was nothing but answer engine optimization. So what is AEO actually? It's similar to SEO, but with one key difference. While SEO helps your website show up search result when people type in keywords, it's about helping your content appear when people ask question. For example, instead of typing which is best Magento hosting, someone might say what's the best hosting for Magento store. And tools like Google Alexa will try to find a short different answer. AU is about getting your Magento store content ready for those direct answers. Whether it's in Google's feature snippet, people also ask boxes or voice result. Instead of just trying to rank high, AO helps you be the answer. How does this help solve problem? Today's shoppers don't always search the way they used to earlier. They want quick answer, not long pages of result. If your store has helpful and clear content that optimize for AU, you will get more visibility without needing to run ads, and customer who get their question answered quickly are more likely to trust your brand and buy from you. For example, if you run a Magento clothing store and if you have a page that answer, how do I find my correct shirt size? And that page show up a different answer on Google or on Alexa as well. So you're not just getting clicks, you're becoming the trusted voice. Looking ahead, the future of AEO is really exciting. Magento will likely support more built-in tools that help format content for search engine automatically. AI will start adapting answers for how people speak, not just how they type. And voice shopping will grow, meaning the answers your store gives will lead directly to the purchases. How business can leverage these trends. You don't need to adopt everything at once. Start small, upgrade to PWA, explore headless for mobile, add chatbots or basic AI, and move to cloud hosting and try personalization module. Using this performance as your guiding light is the track KPIs, experiment, and always test performance when implementing trends. Yeah. So Magento is ready for the future. From fast loading PWAs to voice commerce, AI personalization, and immersive AR and VR, every trend we discussed helps your Magento store become faster, smarter, and more scalable. By following these trends, you will not only stay competitive, you will lead the way in performance, experience, and innovation. Thank you for your time today. I hope this session helped you understand how these trends are transforming Magento and what steps you can take to future-proof your store. Feel free to reach out to me or the team at Kliza for any question or further discussion. Thank you so much.